This video is for TextActivities subscribers who have been subscribers to textivate in the past, or who may still be subscribers to textivate, and it looks at importing resources from textivate into TextActivities. So I'm logged in as a teacher. I go to Resources, I click on Create New Resource, and then I click on this button here to copy import from textivate. Okay. Now we have two options. If your textivate subscription is still active, you can, if you like, go to textivate, find that resource, go to the home page and copy all of the data from the Show All tab and paste it into this box and then click on Import. Most people, I imagine, will want to use this after their textivate subscription has already expired. So I'll show you how you can do that. So we click on Browse Textivate, we'll fill in our username and password, and we click Search Textivate, and this will sign us into textivate and provide us with a list of all of our resources on textivate. So we have a title there. These are listed by most recent first, so your oldest ones will be at the bottom of the list and your most recent resources will be at the top of the list. The M indicates that it's a match resource, T is a text resource, and T plus M indicates that it contains both. And you have the information about the resource there as well. I want to search for a particular resource, so I'm going to use the browser's search functionality by using Control F on the keyboard. And that's the resource I'm looking for, a resource aimed at GCSE French based on a knowledge organizer, and it's a resource that I've featured in a textivate video previously. So I click on the resource there, and that populates this text box with the contents of that resource. As you can see, we have text. In this case it's broken down into chunks. We have matching items, and we also have a parallel text. Okay, if we're happy that that's the resource that we want to import, we click on the Import button, and we're told that the data has been imported successfully. There are a few more things that we need to do to complete the resource, so we click on OK and we go to do that. Okay, so there's the text for the resource. We need to give the resource a language, so this is a French resource and it's aimed at English speakers. The vocab items are there, English matched to French, so let's indicate what the language is for each of the items there, English to French. We have a parallel text, and that's all there is to it. It's been populated already with the title from the textivate resource and with the information from the textivate resource. You can add a resource path and then upload it, and once you've done that, the resource is uploaded to TextActivities. Before we do that, I'll show you that you can also preview the resource from this point too. So that's the resource. It's a preview of all the resource content with access to all the various worksheets and all the various activities. Here's the activity menu. We have access to all of the same activities as you would expect to find in a TextActivities resource. Basically all of the data from that textivate resource has been imported, reformatted so that it works with TextActivities. If we go back to our resource then, there's the resource name. It's in French. I want to put it into GCSE, Family. Click Upload. The resource has been saved successfully, and now we can open the resource, and now we can assign it, or we can set competitions, we can make any changes that we need to by editing it, etc.